In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Soundfont for LMMS. Now, the first thing I would recommend you do is you actually go to the top left over here and you put an SF2 player over here on your song editor. Now, when you click on that, it's going to open up the SF2 player, and from here where it says File, you want to click on this pink folder, and it's going to show you exactly where you basically have to add or upload those files, okay? So you have to go, for me, I have to go into Documents, LMMS, Samples, and then Soundfonts. So let me actually show you how to get there. Now, if you open up your file explorer on your computer, just like this, you want to go into Documents over here on the left. You should find LMMS. Now, this is the default folder. Usually, you're going to have it in here. Then you want to go into Samples, and then inside Samples, you have Soundfonts. Now, in here, this is where you should be dropping your SF2 files. So I actually have one for this tutorial over here, which I'm going to drop in here. There we go. So as you can see, it's now in here inside the Soundfonts folder. And if I now exit this, and if I go to File over here, as you can see, it's in here and I can select it. So again, put on your SF2 player, just put it on like that, go ahead and open the folder, click on your SF2, click on open, and there we go. It's going to basically select it, and that's how we can add Soundfont for LMMS. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.